Hi everyone, we're going to go to Inktober for the second day. Fairy is going to be our prompt. So I'm going to grab myself a paper. That looks like fairy, doesn't it? Yes, indeed, it does. I'm going to draw something here that I see a tree. With a bit of grass. Today's will probably not be pattern based, but you never know what I might end up. I see a fairy right here. She's peeking out. From behind the tree. Let's see. How is she peeking? She has got well, that's kind of a funky vase. I don't like what happened here. There, that's better. That's just a little weird. I don't know what's coming out of me. I have no idea what's coming out of me. That's interesting. My camera all of a sudden is putting a little square right here because it recognizes a face. That's interesting. It's focusing on that face. My fairies have this kind of weird crown thingy on the top of their head. People are not my strong suit. Why I'm even trying to draw a person, I don't rightly know. She's going to have little fairy shorts. That's very just strange. There. Now you're not seeing her underwear. She has no arms. What the heck? Maybe that's why it looks weird. She seems to have no arm. People are not my strong suit. Oh, she's getting better. They're not exactly pixie fairies, are they? They're sort of a more mature, chunky fairy. Oh, goodness. That's all right. Whatever. There we go. Good enough for today. Inktober's don't have to be perfect. They're just a quick little sketch. There we go. I've got these funny little fairies. They're just weird. But they're little mature fairies. That's just bizarre. Okay, whatever. It's what happened. I'm not gonna argue with it. I'm just gonna go with the flow. You never know what's gonna come out of an Inktober. I enjoyed myself. If you guys are not interested in Inktober, I will not hurt my feelings if you just pass on by my videos for Inktober. They're going to be a little weird. Just letting you know. I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Yeah, let's see how much drawing I can get done today in this gloomy day. I will see you later. Bye-bye.